Hey everyone, it's your boy HandyAndy. We got an unboxing video for you today. This is a big one for me personally because we're going to be unboxing this product from DeWalt as part of their FLEXVOLT series. This is a battery-powered air compressor. If you told me 5 years ago that I'd be reviewing a battery-powered air compressor, I'd probably bet you money that I wouldn't be, that you can't create it. But thanks to this FLEXVOLT battery, it's a 60-watt battery, or 60 volts I should say, you're going to be able to do that. So let's open this bad boy up. I can't tell you like how much I could have used this when I was doing some recent projects. Plugging a compressor in is always hard. I'm very interested on also how loud this is going to be, because I wonder if it'll be quieter or maybe it'll be just the same as a corded air compressor. Now of course you got your instructions, and definitely read these. If you're not the type that reads this, just put it by your toilet. I'm sure you're going to end up reading it anyways if you do that. We got a little cover. Oh, gotta take this out. This is what makes all of this possible. The 60 volt FLEXVOLT battery can go down to 20 volts depending on what kind of tool you have. You see it's got its red protective cover, and you want to keep this because you'll be using it when you are transporting the batteries from there, because these are lithium-ion batteries. They can be very, very dangerous, so you want to make sure you protect it or keep it in your tool. Sometimes I like to take it out just to make the tool lighter. Whoa, this thing is heavy. Okay, so there's the air compressor itself. It's got a little bit of cardboard back there. Now, one thing we're missing is the charger, and I see it right down here. You know, I have some other FLEXVOLT batteries, and I think they've changed the charger because it didn't look like this. I'm assuming that this one will actually work with 20 volt batteries as well. I never checked with the other ones I have, but look at this. Look at this. It's portable. You can hold it with one hand. You can take it onto a job site quite easily. This is really good if you work in like remote areas and you need a compressor, say whether you're doing some baseboard framing or what have you. I'm dumbfounded. Now these batteries usually come with some power, so I'm just going to press it there, and it does have one bit. You know, this is just supposed to be an unboxing, but let's go ahead, put this in, and I'll turn it around to show you where the battery goes. Let's put that in, drop it like it's hot. Let me find out how to turn this on. Oh, it looks like there's the thing. So I'm just going to quickly turn it because I'm really, really curious. Of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel because we're going to be using this and putting it into action, just seeing how good the pressure is as well, how it works with, like, say, a brad nailer. But for now, I just want to turn it on to see how it sounds. Okay, it's not bad for... Considering the size, you know, that seems kind of like a standard type of noise for a compressor, but the fact that this is portable, the fact that you don't need to plug this in anywhere. How many times have you tried to, on a job site, trying to find a plug and then you don't, well, maybe you found a plug but you need an extension cord. This just makes it so much portable, and I can tell you, I can guarantee you that I will be using this all the time because I'm always using a compressor for even just filling up tires or balloons. That's the next thing I'll be doing this for, a birthday party. So again, we got this 60 volt air compressor that is battery powered, completely cordless from DeWalt. It's part of their FLEXVOLT series. I can tell you right now, without even having used it, I'm pretty excited. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like tech, if you like tools, if you like high-tech tools. This is the place to be. My name is HandyAndy, and I will see you again next time.